Hello students, today in maths we will start new chapter, that is chapter number 5, fractions. Now what is fractions? Watch the video carefully. This is a circle. This circle is divided into two equal parts and one part is shaded. This I will write 2 as circle is divided into two parts, and here I will write 1 because only one part is shaded. This is called fractions. This we will write is called fractions, and we read it as half or 1 upon 2. We will read it as half or 1 upon 2. See the next example. This is a circle and this circle is divided into 4 equal parts and one part is shaded. This we will write 4 because this circle is divided into 4 parts, and here we will write 1 because only one part is shaded. This is called fractions. See one more example. A circle is divided into 8 equal parts and 1, 2, 3 parts shaded. So we will write here 8 because this circle is divided into 8 equal parts, and here we will write 3. Why? Because only 3 parts are shaded. This is fraction and we read it as 3 upon 8. This 3 is called numerator and this 8 is called denominator. Now we will start solving problem set. Problem set number 17. Question number 1. 1 upon 2 is equals to dash upon 20. In this question 1 upon 2 is equal to dash upon 20. Here 20 denominator answer is given. We need to find out the numerator. See, in question the fraction is smaller, 1 upon 2, and in answer the numbers are bigger. So from smaller number to bigger number we need to use multiplication. If you want answer in bigger number, the question is smaller and the answer we need in bigger number, then we need to use multiplication. So we need to multiply 2 with another number, so in answer we will get 20. Which number we will multiply 2? So we will get answer 20. 2 tens are 20. Very good. 2 multiplied by 10, so the answer will be 20. If we are multiplying denominator, we have to multiply numerator also with the same number. If I am multiplying denominator by 10, then we have to multiply numerator with the same number. Here 10 multiplied by 2, the answer is 20. 10 multiplied by 1, the answer is 10. 10 ones are 10. Question number 2. 3 upon 4 is equals to 15 upon dash. Now we need to multiply 3, so we will get the answer 15. Read the table of 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15. So if we will multiply 3 by 5, we will get answer 15. Now if you will multiply numerator, then you have to multiply denominator with the same number. So the answer is 4 fives are 20. Question number 3. 9 upon 11 is equals to 18 upon dash. Again numerator is given, we need to find out denominator. Multiply 9, 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18. So multiply 9 by 2, so you will get answer 18. If you will multiply numerator, then you have to multiply denominator with the same number. 11 twos are 22. Question number 4. 10 upon 40 is equals to dash upon 8. Here in question the numbers are bigger and in answer the number is smaller. Here we need to use division. We have to divide. So in the table of 8, 40 will come. Read the table of 8. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40. Very good. So if we will divide 40 by 5, then we will get answer 8. If we are dividing denominator, we have to divide numerator with the same number. So 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are. Question number 5. 14 upon 26 is equals to dash upon 13. Now here we'll divide because in question the number are bigger, in answer numbers are smaller, so we will divide. 13 ones are 13, 13 twos are 26. If we divide denominator, then we have to divide numerator with the same number. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14. Question number 6. Dash upon 3 is equals to 4 upon 6. Here again we use division. 3 twos are 6. Divide numerator also. 2 twos are 4. 1 upon dash is equals to 4 upon 20. We use multiplication. Multiply by 4, multiply by 4. 4 ones are 4. Now here there is no number in the denominator. We need to find out the number. 4 5 is a 20. Dash upon 5 is equals to 10 upon 25. 25 divided by 5. 25 5 5 are 25. 5 2s are 10. Write properly in your notebook. Next, question number 2. Find an equivalent fraction with denominator 18. Here we need to find out the equivalent fraction and the denominator is 18 for each of the following fractions. Question number 1. 1 upon 2 is equals to dash upon 18. If we will multiply 2 by 9, the answer will be 18. 2 9s are 18. If we multiply denominator, we have to multiply numerator also. 9 1s are 9. Question number 2. 2 upon 3 is equals to dash upon 18. Three multiplied by 6 is equals to 18. Multiply numerator also. 6 2s are 12. Question number 3. 4 upon 6 is equals to dash upon 18. If you multiply 6 by 3, the answer will be 18. 6 3s are 18. Then multiply numerator also. 4 3s are 12. Question number 4. 2 upon 9 is equals to dash upon 18. If we multiply 9 by 2, the answer will be 18. Then multiply denominator and numerator. 2 2s are 4. Question number 5. 7 upon 9 is equals to dash upon 18. Multiply by 2. So answer will be 18. Multiply numerator also. 7 2s are 14. 5 upon 3 is equals to dash upon 18. 3 multiply by 6. The answer will be 18. Then multiply numerator also. 6 5s are 30. Next question. Question number 3. Find an equivalent fraction with denominator 5 for each of the following fraction. Here we want number 5 in denominator. Question number 1. 6 upon 15 is equals to denominator 5. Now here we use division because in question numbers are bigger and answer numbers are smaller. 5 3s are 15. Divide in numerator also. 2 3s are 6. Question number 2. 10 upon 25 is equals to dash upon 5. Divide by 5. 5 5s are 25. Divide by 5. 5 2s are 10. Question number 3. 12 upon 30 is equals to dash upon 5. 5 6 are 30. 6 2s are 12. Question number 4. 6 upon 10 is equals to dash upon 5. Divide by 2. 5 2s are 10 and 2 3s are 6. Question number 5. 21 upon 35 is equals to dash upon 5. 5 7s are 35 and 7 3s are 21. Fractions. Here we need to pair of the equivalent fractions. First is question number 1, 2 upon 3. If we will multiply 2 upon 3 by 9, then we will get answer 9 2s are 18 and 9 3s are 27 is given here. So these two are equivalent fractions. 5 upon 7 is equals to, if we will multiply 5 by 2, we will get answer 5 2s are 10 and 7 2s are 40. This is equivalent fraction. Next, 5 upon 11 is equals to, if we will multiply 5 by 3 and 11 by 3, we will get answer 5 3s are 15, 11 3s are 33. These two are equivalent fractions. And the last number is 7 upon 9. If we will multiply 7 by 2 and 9 by 2, the answer is 7 2s are 18, 9 2s are 7 2s are 14 and 9 2s are 18. So these two are equivalent fractions. Complete this problem set in your maths notebook. Write properly with good handwriting. First understand the lesson and then copy in your notebook.